Hi dear friend, if you're watching this video, you're probably looking for some tips and tricks to help you get started and succeed as a YouTuber. Fortunately, you are in the right place. In this channel, we are going to help you enter a world full of possibilities and new opportunities by starting and managing a successful YouTube channel. Here are some tips and tricks to help you. Where is YouTube? YouTube is a completely free website that was first launched in 2005. This service allows people to upload videos, view, like, comment, and share videos with streaming and online sharing capabilities. One of the most important reasons for YouTube's popularity is the high volume of videos uploaded on this website. On average, 100 hours of video are uploaded in this space every minute. Earn money from YouTube. Making money from YouTube has several prerequisites, having at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in a year, or 10 million Vivi shorts in the last 90 days. Your content must be within YouTube's rules, AdSense account to connect to the channel and start earning. After confirming the channel, you enter the YouTube Partner Program, learning to become a YouTuber. To become a successful YouTuber, you can follow the steps mentioned below. Specific goal. The first step is to define your goal. Having a goal helps to have continuity and continuous activity on YouTube in the future. Choose a topic. To choose a topic, pay attention to 2 points. A. Choose a topic that you are interested in. B. Choose a topic that is trending on YouTube or has a large audience. Content quality. In general, videos that have better sound and image quality are much more welcomed by the audience than other content. Motivation, planning, and persistence. Get the best result, you must have a continuous activity on YouTube with sufficient motivation and with the best plan. For example, you must first determine how many videos per week and on which days you want to publish. You should continuously and always continue your activity on YouTube in order to get the best results. If you are going to change the program, it is better to add to the number of videos per week. Tips to become a YouTuber. So far, we have explained the article about YouTube and the initial steps of YouTube to become a YouTuber. Now, I want to explain to you the tips of becoming a YouTuber so that you can make your channel earn money very soon. Good luck.